What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're here today with another video for you guys, and today is going to be about my exhaust. Now, a lot of people know that I have a custom single exit exhaust. Basically, it goes from the front pipe, down pipe, all the way straight back to one, not dual. It's single exit, 2.5 inch, so it's 3 inch to 2.5 inch all the way back. Right now, it doesn't have a muffler on it yet because I haven't decided what muffler I want to get, but soon this part's gonna get cut out, and then I'm gonna have a custom muffler in it, which might be, I don't know, Vibrant, HKS, I don't know, K-Tune, I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but it's gonna be one of those. But if you look under there, you can see a single exit all the way down there. There's no second tip, so yeah, custom 2.5 inch exhaust all the way straight back, so it's a straight pipe for now. Just want to have a video for you guys so you guys can have an idea if you do 2.5 inch straight back how it will sound. And this is basically the best sound clips I could get from the tunnel, so hope you guys enjoyed the sound clip in this video because the car does sound amazing. Pops, everything sounds really good. I just can't wait to get the muffler. This is gonna give it the look, like a way better look. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video and the video I just posted for you guys right now and all the videos that are to come, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like, comment, share the video throughout all social medias to help me keep growing, keep making content for you guys, keep making this better and faster, and then I can keep making more content for you guys if I keep growing, if you guys keep supporting. Also, I haven't shown you guys, I have face masks now. So if you guys want to buy any face masks, hit me up in the DMs, and then if you live far, I can have it shipped out to you. It's custom made face mask for my channel, for my cars to record. And I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna put it on right now. I'm gonna show you guys. If you like it, just DM me and I can ship it out to you for a good ass price. You know, help your boy out, buy more, you know, stuff for this car. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So basically this is what it looks like. As you can see, it has my YouTube channel on the side. The other cheek has my cord, just like that. That's how it's gonna look on you, just like this. I'll have it in blue and gray, so you can either have a gray one or a blue one. Right now and they have the blue one on me, but it's basically how it looks. Yeah. If you guys want to cop one, just DM me and then I could get one sent to you guys. You support me, you help support the build, you know. It's a win-win for both of us. Stay protected.